Grabe mga mare! O, diba? Grabe mga mare, so dahil wala tayong face-to-face classes today, mag-online class tayo for today's ganap. Let's go! Mga mare ko, ganito ang ating setup today. Ayan lang, simplihan lang ang ating atake. Another day, another MOVs. Yeah. Nung sila pumasok sa klase, ayan, wala pa sila. So, ibig sabihin ko sino lang yung may yung kaya makapag-online class ngayon, pwede naman, sila lang. So yung mga hindi naman, okay lang din kasi magsasend naman tayo ng learning activity sheet sa kanila. Magandang buhay, grade 7. Ay, magandang buhay. Magandang buhay. O sige nga po, pakiturnan nga po ng camera para naman makita ko kayo, di ba? Di ba nakatabingi ang camera, gaganon ba ako? Iyan yun naman, iba yung portrait nyo naman. Para magkaka-stiff, may stiff neck na ako, magkaka-stiff neck pa ulit ako. Kawalan nyo naman yung mga kaklase. Live na live po tayo sa Channel 5, Showtime. Ipa-picture po muna tayo ng isa. Okay, let me share my PowerPoint presentation. Okay, nakikita po, visible po sa inyo. Thumbs up po kung okay, nakikita siya. Now, let's talk about the particle nature of matter, the arrangement, motion, and phase changes. We already talked about the different changes in the state of matter. When we say changes in the state of matter, it is a change of a substance from one physical form of matter to another by changing the temperature and the pressure condition. Okay, so yung science notebook. That is our activity for today. Okay, now let's proceed sa ating mape. A healthy habit. Lagi nyo siyang pinapractice every day. Start naman on the habits that you want to improve. And we have the reflection question. One is healthy habit do you practice the most? And which habit would you like to improve? Why? So, goodbye and thank you, grade 7. Bye! Magandang buhay, grade 7 please. Here, the melting. So, melting happens when the solid becomes liquid. Correct. And freezing happens when the liquid turns to solid. How about the evaporation? What will happen? About the condensation? Yung gas magiging liquid. And sublimation, okay, very good. Okay, since you already know the changes happens in the state of matter, yung melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, deposition, sublimation. Now, let's have an application. Let's have here an example. Ano po? Melting. So, solid to liquid. Example is melting chocolate. Okay, melting butter. Ano pa? Ice. Ayan, one of the common example, yung ice, tea, ice cream. Freezing, syempre, yung water turning into ice. Evaporation, example is the boiling of water. Doon naman sa number 2, which habit would you like to improve? Ano naman din gusto mong i-improve para sa sarili mo? Okay, we're done. Goodbye and thank you, grade 7 love. Bye! O, diba? So yan, we're done na sa ating online class. Ngayon naman gagawa naman tayo ng ating daily/weekly home learning plan kung ano ba yung ginawa natin ngayong araw, di ba? Okay, tapos na tayo mag-online class mga Mariko. So ngayon, meron tayong isang aayusan na client for today's videos. Kaya naman, hawak mo ang pit, hawak mo ang gabi. Ano ba suit nyo?
Covered lahat.
Let your music taste shine.
Ayaw pa itan.
Sa